Hi, good evening, everyone. We'll start sharp at 5. Due to some technical issue at resource person end, we'll start at 5.
Good evening, everyone. Mandeep, ma'am, please tell me, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, you are audible.
Okay, thank you so much.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Neelam, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. So we have to start the session. Sorry for delay. We have some technical problem in my laptop, basically. So we have just started late, 10 minutes. Good evening, everyone. On the behalf of Sanatan Dharma College, I, Dr. Ruchi Sharma, and Dr. Mandeep Kaur, the conveners of the course from Department of Computer Science and Application, warm welcome you all in the virtual platform of 10-day certificate course of Embracing Digital Tools for Content Master. As dear participants, you know very well the entire course will run on the Moodle platform. That is the LMS of Sanatan Dharma College. This is self-paced course. Daily you will get videos. After watching the videos, you have to complete your assignment as well as your assessment. On the last day, you have to just attempt the final quiz for your certificate. So now I'm inviting Mandeep ma'am to explain how you can access the course, how you can open the Moodle of SD College. Might be you have already joined many courses of SD College, so maybe you know very well about the Moodle. But now Mandeep ma'am will again tell you how you can access the course. So over to you, Mandeep ma'am. Mandeep ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I'm just starting the sharing of the screen.
Okay.
Is my screen visible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Welcome everyone to this 10 line online certificate course. And today I'm going to give you a glance how you can access your course, what will be the course structure, and how you can assess the things on this course. So, as Ruchi ma'am has already told us that we are going to work on the Moodle platform, and for that, I'm just going to open the Moodle. Okay, let me just log out once. So, for Moodle, you need to go to the google.com and you have to write Moodle SD College. So once you write Moodle SD College, you will be land here on the first link, which is LMS of Snatan Dharma College, Ambala Kent. So just click this link, or you can simply type moodle.sdcollegeambala.org. The link will be provided to you on your chat window. I'll just paste the link. So you can directly paste this link on the browser and you will be here on this page. Here on the right side, you have this login option. You need to select this login option, and here two things are needed. One is your username or the email ID, which you have given us during the registration process, and then the password. Now, for every person who is already enrolled with us or those who are new with us, they have mentioned their email ID during the registration. So you need to put the email ID here. Let us suppose my email ID is, you have suppose submitted this email ID to us, and here in the password you need to type dummy at 123 if you are a new user, and if you are using the Moodle already with us, then whatever password you have given, the same password will work. So I'm just writing the password here in the chat box, that is D capital dummy at 123. So if you are a new user, you need to provide your email ID and the password. For the first person who is using our Moodle for the first time, then the password is dummy at 123. So you need to provide your password here, and you need to log in. Once you log in, you will be here on the dashboard. So here in the dashboard, if you are already using the Moodle, you will have all the courses like this. And if you are a new user, then the first course will be digital tools. So you need to select this course because this is the course you have enrolled for. So the course is embracing digital tools for content masters. And and this is how you can come and access your course. If till here there is any query, you can write in the chat box or you can unmute and ask so that I can go forward. This is a simple process of login. You need to provide your email ID, whatever email ID you have given us during registration, and the password is dummy at 123, where D is capital. I have already written the password in the chat box, D capital dummy at 123. The next thing is you need to access the course. So this is how the course will look alike. Here we have given some note about the course. The live session will be from 5 to 6 p.m. Then guidelines for the course. Basically, this is a 10-day course where you have assessments, assignments, and the final quiz. We have given everything. For getting eligible for the certification, you need to get 40% of the marks out of 100. There will be 10 assignments, each comprising from every day, and you need to give 6 assignments that are mandatory. Then the assessments are for practice. I'll explain in the first day work what are the assessment and what are the assignments. On the last day, that is after 10 days, on the 11th day, there will be one quiz comprising of 30 questions. And out of that, the quiz and the total assignments part, you need to get 40% for the eligibility of the certificate. Here we have mentioned the marking criteria. That is 30 questions are for 40 marks and 6 assignments are for 60 marks. If you love this course, then we request you to complete all the assignments. But we know every one of us are working and we don't have that much time. So that is why we have given just 6 assignments as a compulsory part. And after that, there will be few dates. That dates will be mentioned in the Telegram group. That is the what is the last date for the assignments to be submitted. Of course, the quiz day will be on 21st because this course will go from 11th to 20th February, and on 21st you will have your quiz. The online live classes, like today we are having the online class. The other classes will be on the following scheduled dates. We have mentioned the dates, and the timing for the class will be 5 p.m. It will be a live query session. So if you feel that there is any query related to that day or the previous day, you can come and ask the question. It is not mandatory to join the live sessions every day or every alternate day. If you feel that there is some query or you need to ask some question to us, you can come and you can ask here in the time slot of 5 to 6 p.m. After that, we have given the course information here. There is a video where you can find the introduction of the course, what this course is about, what you will learn about in all for 10 days, and what will be the criteria. After that, for today's part, we have given the generating interactive forms and QR codes. So this is how your course will work. Like for generating the interactive Google Forms, we have 3 videos. In the first video, we have given the introduction. In the second video, we have given how you can add your questions to the registration form. And in the third video, we have given the customizing theme, how you can copy the link for the form, how you can add or remove the collaborators. So this is the whole course is about how you can create your own course on one platform and how you can add the participants. So from the very beginning, we generate a form and we circulate that form with the people. So what are the steps where we can add the questions or how we can share that form with people? Then after the registration of the form, how you can generate the data, how you can get the sheet. So with the Google, we have the Google Sheets, and this is how the second part of this day works. That is working with settings, generating the Google Sheets, and how you can retrieve the data out of that, and then how you can collect the data from the Google Sheet. And the third part is how you can create a QR code, because all of us know that in the brochures which we circulate for the information to the people, we sometimes give the QR codes. So how we can create a QR code for free and how we can paste that QR code on the brochures, that is how we have included the first day work in that. So on the second day, that is tomorrow, you will get all the data at 10 a.m. So every day for the next 9 days, you are going to get the work at 10 a.m. and you can complete the entire thing by yourself at any time at your ease of availability. After that, we have the practice time. In the practice time, you have two things. One is assessment and another is assignment. Assessments are just for practice, right? This is just a practice session where you can find few questions, you can find few videos or other things. Why this is important? Because on the last day, which is your quiz day, you will get a look-alike things out of the assessments. So it's a request to go once through these assessments because they are going to help you for your final quiz. And then the next part is the assignment part. Here you find few questions, like in the first assignment we have given you, you have to create a registration form for any event of your choice. You can use it for a seminar, you can do it for a webinar, for some course, or for students, anything which you love. And then after that you have to fill the form you have made on the above first point, and you need to retrieve the data from the Google sheet, and you have to create the QR code. You need to share the form link and QR code with us in this assignment. So this is how this assignment is going to work. So if I just enroll as a student, I'm just switching my role from teacher to student. I can show you how this will look alike in your platform. So this is the day one. You can see that this is the day one, and here you have the assessment part. If I go to the assessment part, you will get nothing, because this is you will get this quiz. Start your quiz and you will get 3 questions out of that. So Google Forms are available as a Google app. You need to give true or false. When you go through all the videos, you will get answers of all the questions. Like for example, if I select true, I'll go to the next part. The second question is, I cannot upload a PDF file in a Google form. Suppose here I answer false, and we can create a QR with the Google form link with the true or false. I'm just selecting a true. If I finish my attempt, I'll get that your answers are saved. You want to submit and finish, or you want to return to the attempt. So if you are confused about any of the question, you can go back on the previous step, or if you want to submit, you can just submit your answers. Once you submit your answer, your score will be released and you can see that all the questions are correct. So this is how you will get your assessment part. So this is just for practice, because you will get the lookalike questions in your final exams. I'm repeating it again. Please go through assessments once, because they will be going to help you in your final quiz. After that, I have the assignment part. Now, once you have made the assignment, when you select the assignment, if I go to the day one again, right? If I scroll down, this is the assignment part. Now, if I want to open this assignment one, if I want to submit this assignment, you need to select this and you need to read the question. And once you read the question, you can see that the last date is 2 March and 18 days are there to complete your assignment. So you can submit, you can just select here, add a submission. When you select this, you will get this online text option or a file submission. Here you can type your link. For example, this is the link for my Google form. I'm just copying this link and just paste this here, and you will have the option to provide this. And now if you want to upload an image, for that you need to select this file option right here. you have to add a file, upload a file. You can select this from the browse option, and you can select any of the image. For example, if I just go to the downloads, I need to see if I'm having, okay, if you can select any of the image. um Let me see if I can find out any of the image. Let us suppose if I select any of the image out of this, I'll just open it and I'll just upload this file. So this is how you upload a file, and you can save the changes. Once you save the changes, your assignment will be submitted. So you can see that this assignment is submitted for grading, right? If you want to edit this submission or you want to remove the submission, you can do that also. If you want to edit the link, you can just select this and you can edit the submission. And if you want to remove that, you can simply click on the remove part. I just save the changes, and if I just want to remove this submission, just select on the remove part. You can continue it and your assignment will be removed out of this. So this is how you can get the data of your course for the first day. You can see that if I go scroll down, everything is here, but that will open on that particular day when you have the option for selecting that things. So for tomorrow, you have the link will be open on at 10 a.m. and out of that you have a total of 10 days data, and then you have the final quiz on 21st. So this is how you can assess your course. So I'm just coming back to the meet. Ma'am, I'm unable to see the course inside Moodle. Okay, Dr. Arnab Ganguly, this is your email ID. I'll just check once. Are you sure you have given the same email ID? Okay, okay, okay. So, okay, okay, fine, fine. So, we are there on the Telegram group. So, if anyone who is facing any of the problem related to the Moodle, just write your query in the Telegram group. In some minutes, your problem will be solved. But if there is some delay, please bear with us because we are also working on that. So. Parul Bansal, you are able to join the course by, if you have not received the confirmation mail, how you got this meeting link? Parul ma'am?
I think Mandeep ma'am, I have sent on the WhatsApp to Parul.
Okay, okay, okay. So please
Yeah.
wait for more 10 minutes. Once this class will be over, I'll send the confirmation mail to all the participants again, because maybe sometimes it is in the pipeline or some other issue. Okay, Parul ma'am?
Mandeep ma'am, I just want to clear one thing. Like
Yes.
I've already joined one of the course, and
Okay.
sometime in the Telegram group, only admin can send the messages. So sending the messages is from the participant side is already restricted. So
No,
how
no,
to
no,
inform them?
no, no, ma'am. In this digital tools group, in which course you are facing that problem?
Latex I just joined right now, so there was a problem. Then I
Okay. Uh,
requested them, and
see,
I 3 4 days I could not understand because that was the first time I joined with you people. So
okay,
later on
okay,
we cleared down the thing. So please kindly look into this thing that in case
no,
any number is there where we can contact because we are
okay,
from
okay, ma'am.
non-technical backgrounds.
You have joined the digital tools two group.
Yes, not WhatsApp one, but Telegram one I've joined.
Okay, okay, ma'am. There will be no issue from our side in this course, because every admin or every course convener has their own rules. But here we never restrict the participants to give the. If you are not able to give the queries, then how we can solve that? This is just for your convenience. So we'll talk to the HOD sir. He will look into the problem, and
Okay,
that
ma'am, that's
problem
so
will.
nice of you. Really looking forward because I really appreciate the way you people are doing it. It's a beautiful work. and
Thank you.
kindly look into this thing that we can have the fullest of your knowledge. Thank you so
Sure,
much.
sure, ma'am. In this course, you will not face this problem, and for the latex one, we'll pass on the query to the convener. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay, okay. So, any other query?
I think, Mandi ma'am, there is no as such query. So I think we have to send the mail after this session, how you can log in into the Moodle account
Yes.
and yeah.
I'll just.
Hello.
I'm sure that this will be not be a problem, and we'll send all the steps also for how to. You are getting invalid login. So,
Valid
can you
login.
please put your email ID once in the chat box? What is
Excuse
your
me,
email
madam.
ID?
Hello.
Yes.
Excuse me, madam.
Yes.
Yeah, will you be sending a program chart or something for the complete course?
We'll do that.
Yeah,
We'll do
please.
that.
Like
Surely.
day one, day two, and then like if you miss a class, do we have the recording, the access for the recording?
Yes, we will provide that.
Okay,
Don't
fine.
worry.
That's it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Because
thank you.
earlier we were having the paid G Suite accounts, but now what G Suite accounts has done, they have taken off the recording options because everything is back to the normal life and the offline mode. So we are doing the recording, and we will surely put that.
Okay, fine. And the program chart also for the complete
Yes, of
course.
course. What will be covered on what particular day, we'll do
Yeah,
that.
exactly.
Don't worry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. And will you be showing practically like whatever you teach,
Everything is there in the videos. You have to go through the
Okay.
videos, and still you have any problem, you can come in the live query session, and we'll explain the steps again.
Okay, no, the option is like if I log in with my mobile, simultaneously I can work in the laptop or in the computer,
Okay,
following you.
okay,
Okay, like,
okay.
like just the theory, doesn't work. Like practical, once we do it, in your presence, it'll be fine. It may take time, I know, but
Yes. Okay, do one thing, sir. Go through the videos of today's session and go through the videos for the tomorrow's session. On day after tomorrow, we are having the another session. If you have any problem, we'll repeat everything. Don't worry.
okay,
And you
fine.
can join with the same link for the query
And
session. You can use the same link, right, Mandeep ma'am?
yes, of course. I'm going to mail again every day. You have the query session, but the link to join the class will be same.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. Don't worry, Parul ma'am. After this session, we'll send the mail again, and in that mail, we'll provide the Telegram group. We'll provide all the steps how to join the Moodle account. And still, if there is any query, you can mail us back, or you can message us on the Telegram group. We are always there to help you. Can you check, Ruchi ma'am, this?
Yes, ma'am. This email ID is working properly. I have already checked.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
You're
It's
welcome,
working.
Parul ma'am.
Yeah, just you have to type the password dummy at 123 and it is working fine. Dummy at 123 is the password where D is capital.
Yeah.
Anything else you want to know, you can unmute yourself and you can ask the question, please.
हाँ हेलो मैम
Yes.
यस मैम मैंने अभी मतलब फर्स्ट टाइम ज्वाइन किया है ऐसा कुछ कोर्स तो मुझे अभी इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं थी मैंने कल ही गूगल फॉर्म फिल किया था तो बस
Okay.
मैम मुझे उसके रिगार्डिंग कोई कंफर्मेशन मेल भी नहीं मिली थी तो मुझे पता नहीं था कि कैसे ज्वाइन करना है तो आप बस इस रिगार्डिंग हेल्प
कोई बात नहीं पारुल मैम आपको मेल आ जाएगी अभी मेल आ जाएगी डोंट वरी और आप उसके साथ उसमें पूरी डिटेल होगी कि आपने मूडल में कैसे लॉग इन करना है आपने कोर्स कैसे एक्सेस करना है ठीक है
ओके मैम
डोंट
थैंक यू
ओके
Madam,
ओके
like we'll be
या
using Microsoft PowerPoint, right?
Yes, you
And
will be using.
Okay, and what is the version we'll be using?
You can on what version you are working, sir?
16.
yeah that
16.
is
Okay.
fine
that is fine. We both are working on 365, so it is the highest version. So
Okay.
if you are not,
Oh,
that is a
365
paid
we can use,
version.
no problem. Yeah, no, I
Yeah,
have 365. No problem.
yeah.
So I'll be using
Okay,
365.
okay.
Okay. And one final thing, we don't understand Hindi. We are Chennaites.
Yes,
Yeah, yeah. Don't worry,
we
sir.
know that, and you
Yeah,
will get all the course content in English
yeah,
only.
please.
Don't worry.
Hindi nahi aata hai.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Marathi.
Uh, Actually, sir, we will try to use English, but some participant wants we have to use Hindi. Sometime we'll answer in Hindi.
No
If the
problem.
participant will
Yeah,
speak in Hindi only, then we will
no
answer
problem.
in
That's
Hindi.
no problem.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, fine.
We'll try and we'll explain everything in two languages. Don't worry, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Yeah. So I
Okay.
guess
Anything
Ruchi
that,
ma'am, there is no other query, and still, if there is any query, we'll solve it in the Telegram group.
yes. I think
Right?
there is no as such query in the chat box. If any participant want to know anything, then you can unmute yourself. Don't worry. You can unmute and you can ask the question, or you can post in the chat box. No query present, ma'am.
Okay. Then we can wind up the session, ma'am.
Yes, yes. We can wind up the session.
Okay. Thank you so much, everyone, and thank you, Dr. Ruchi, for
Thank
this
you,
session.
Mandeep, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much for
So,
explaining each and every step,
okay.
explaining the Moodle. Thank you,
Okay, then
everyone. Neelam ma'am, Amita
thank
ma'am.
you everyone for joining this session, and we'll meet day after tomorrow. That is on 13th. Everyone is welcome. Thank you, Amita ma'am. Thank you, Neelam ma'am. Manas sir. Thank you. So, okay, Ruchi ma'am, we'll meet day after tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am. Surely we will meet.
Okay.